guys, this is Fez coming live again from East Car Audio, and what I got today, I got the 6x9 rings back in stock. Pretty much not back in stock, but this is the first time. These are Gorilla knobs. We're going to have our own as well, but 6x9s are here. As you can see, we got the Audio Code fit perfect, Apocalypse fit perfect, Orion fit perfect. And the reason why I don't have the DS18 and the Nemesis in the rings is because they actually do not fit in these rings. They're available at eastcaraudio.net right here. $250 is the price. Comes with a Bluetooth module and a remote ready to go and ready to ship right now.